Automate WhatsApp messages using Python. In this video we will be seeing how to send and schedule your WhatsApp messages using Python. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon. If you are a Python beginner, I highly recommend you to check out my Python playlist and the link will be given in the description. So let's start the video. The library we will be using in this video is called Pywhatkit. So in order to install Pywhatkit, open cmd and just type pip install Pywhatkit and hit enter. So in my PC it's already installed, so it will be showing as requirement already satisfied. In your PC it's gonna take some time, so let's import Pywhatkit. And now we need to enter one more line of code to complete the program, and it's Pywhatkit dot send what message. Here we need to enter the receiver's phone number, and here we need to enter the message, and now we need to specify the time in 24-hour format, and the hour will be 13 and the minutes will be 10. Now let's run this program. So it's showing that in 86 seconds web.whatsapp.com will open, and after 20 seconds the message will be delivered. Let's open the browser and wait for the time. The message has already returned. And now the message has delivered. Now let's see the program has ended or not. You can see this program has ended. So that's all. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and also enable the bell icon so you will not miss any of our latest uploads. Thank you.